Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by protecting data, make a full backup now and verify it. You cannot recover if you overwrite. Next, identify the SSD by size and model using disk management or disk part so you target the right disk. Then check Smart Status and firmware with the vendor tool. This explains if hardware issues exist. Once done, boot a rescue USB with partition software so you can modify partitions offline and avoid file system locks while you work. You now perform the core repair. Remove only the corrupted partitions and preserve recovery regions when required. Use GPT for modern systems. Select 1 MB alignment to maximize SSD performance. Misalignment causes slow writes. Create new partitions sized to your needs, then format with NTFS or XFAT and pick an appropriate cluster size. Make sure trim is enabled and the partition receives a drive letter. This restores proper allocation and reduces wear, so the drive behaves predictably again. Finish by validating the file system. Run chkdsk or fsck to repair leftover inconsistencies, then trigger trim and an SSD optimization pass. Restore your files from the backup and verify checksums so you confirm integrity. Update SSD firmware and storage drivers to prevent repeat issues. Make sure OSI is enabled in BIOS for best stability. If something goes wrong and partitions vanish, stop writing to the drive and run test disk or the vendor recovery tool. You improve recovery odds by preserving current sectors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.